We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the GlowCity Glow in the Dark basketball for teen boys and girls. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The GlowCity Glow in the Dark basketball is a standout gadget for anyone who loves basketball and wants to extend their playtime well after sunset. This product is designed for kids, teens, and even adults who want to bring a new level of excitement to their nighttime games. The ball is a regulation size 7, measuring 29.5 inches in diameter and weighing approximately 1.41 pounds, making it suitable for both youth and adult players. The ball is constructed with a thick, water-resistant rubber exterior, which not only protects the internal LED lights, but also ensures durability for both indoor and outdoor use. The rubber coating provides a good grip, which is frequently mentioned in user reviews as a positive feature, allowing for confident dribbling and shooting even in low-light conditions. The standout feature of this basketball is its internal LED lighting system. The ball contains 2 bright red LEDs that are impact activated, meaning they light up with every bounce or dribble and automatically turn off when the ball is at rest. This design makes it incredibly energy efficient and practical for nighttime play, as the lights only operate when the ball is in use. GlowCity claims the LEDs are good for up to 30 hours of playtime, and customer feedback generally supports this claim, with many users reporting several weeks or months of use before needing to replace the batteries. The ball comes with pre-installed batteries and includes extra batteries in the package, which is a thoughtful touch that enhances the user experience. Setup is straightforward. Simply inflate the ball using a standard pump, which is not included, and it is ready for action. Many reviewers appreciate that the ball arrives deflated for shipping efficiency, but note the importance of having a pump on hand. The ball's performance is frequently praised. Users report that it bounces and handles much like a standard basketball, with no significant difference in weight or balance. The grip is described as comfortable for both kids and adults, and the ball's visibility at night is exceptional, making it possible to play safely and enjoyably after dark. The glowing effect is consistently described as bright and eye-catching, drawing attention from passers-by and making nighttime games more fun and engaging. The ball is especially popular as a gift for children and teenagers, with many reviewers noting that it quickly becomes a favorite among young basketball enthusiasts. Parents and gift givers report that recipients are eager to play outside at night, and the novelty of the glowing ball encourages more physical activity and social play. Some users mention that the ball is so popular among their children's friends that it often becomes the centerpiece of evening gatherings. In terms of durability, the rubber exterior stands up well to regular use, and the water-resistant design helps protect the internal electronics from moisture and the elements. However, some users have experienced issues with air retention, noting that the ball may need to be pumped up more frequently than a standard basketball. This is a minor inconvenience for most, but it is worth noting for those who expect maintenance-free operation. Another point of feedback concerns the LED system. While most users find the lights reliable and long-lasting, there are occasional reports of one or both LEDs failing prematurely or the batteries arriving corroded. In these cases, GlowCity's customer service receives high marks for responsiveness and support. Multiple reviewers describe prompt and generous assistance, with replacement lights or even entire replacement balls sent out quickly and without hassle. This level of customer service is increasingly rare and is a significant positive for the brand. Some users mention that the glowing lights can be distracting during competitive play, particularly for serious players who are used to standard basketballs. However, for casual games, family play, and recreational use, the glowing effect is almost universally appreciated. The ball is not intended for official league play, but excels as a fun, unique gadget for informal games and gatherings. The stamped content on the ball, such as branding and instructions, is sometimes noted as less aesthetically pleasing compared to premium basketballs, but most users agree that this is a minor issue given the ball's intended purpose. The focus is on playability and the glowing feature, not on display or collector value. The GlowCity Glow in the Dark basketball is also recognized for its value. The price point is considered reasonable, especially given the added features and the ability to play at night. Many reviewers recommend using a regular basketball during the day and reserving the GlowCity ball for evening play to extend its lifespan and maximize enjoyment. The ball's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings, with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 19,000 reviews. It ranks highly in the toy basketball products category and is a consistent bestseller, indicating strong customer satisfaction and demand. The ball is suitable for a wide age range, making it a versatile gift for boys and girls from age 8 and up. It is especially recommended for children and teens who are passionate about basketball and want to keep playing after dark. The glowing feature adds a new dimension to the game, making it more exciting and accessible during the evening hours. In summary, the GlowCity Glow in the Dark basketball is a well-designed, innovative product that delivers on its promises. It combines durability, playability, and a unique glowing effect to create a memorable basketball experience for players of all ages. The ball's impact-activated LEDs, sturdy construction, and excellent customer support set it apart from competitors. While there are minor issues with air retention and occasional LED failures, the overall user experience is overwhelmingly positive. The ball is best suited for casual and recreational play, and it makes an excellent gift for any basketball enthusiast. If you are considering this product, be sure to have a pump ready for inflation and consider using it primarily at night to preserve the LEDs and extend the ball's lifespan. Customer feedback highlights the fun and excitement this ball brings to nighttime games, as well as the strong support provided by GlowCity. The glowing basketball is more than just a novelty, it is a practical and enjoyable addition to any basketball lover's collection. If you have used the GlowCity Glow in the Dark basketball, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This glowing basketball is a shining example of how technology can enhance traditional sports and create new opportunities for fun and fitness after dark.